Hi there! I started the project by covering the pages with white gesso. It prevents your pages to be soaked by ink and paint, so do it before starting. Then dry it very well. I added water and ink. This one is Avocado Coloration Spray by Art Antholgy. And dry it. Before playing with stencil, I start with stamp. So I use good ink, black ink, and start stamping around the pages. I wanted to paint part of the stamp, so I used the Clover Coloration Spray with water to color just part. Okay, done. Now I dried it, and I'm gonna use a stencil, the scale stencil in 8 by 12 with the lime head. It's a velvet dimensional medium by Art Antholgy. It's a very pretty color. And now I'm using the same scale stencils, but in a different size. It's 6 by 9. The color I used is very light, so I'm using a black pen right now to outline the stencil design, and it makes the stencil really pop up of the page. Don't think I'm very quick at this exercise. I just make the video go faster. I think it's like by 16, so don't worry if you're very low at this. I am low, but this one just go faster. I stamped in advance some design on tissue paper, and I color them with marker, and now I'm gluing it with the sorbate medium called glass. It's transparent, and it protects the tissue paper to smear. This glass medium is not a glue. It's a coat, in fact, a transparent coat to put on your mixed media art. It gives a shine, transparent shine. As I color the stamp with alcoholic marker, I use dye ink to stamp my image, because this one does not smear with the alcohol of the marker, and it's a very thin tissue, so if you use watercolor pencil or other, it's gonna tear probably, so the marker was a good choice. And the medium, the glass medium I'm using to glue them really helps them to stay with a bright color. It protects the color. It's time to add some text to my journal. I'm using a rolling stamp because you can choose the letter and make any word you want, and it's perfectly aligned this way. I made a mistake. It's a J, not a L, but that's okay. I'm gonna correct it later. Missing a part of the letter, so I just correct it with the pen. I'm using now a bigger font for my word smile because it's the most important word of my journaling. And I'm done. My journal is finished. Thank you for watching.